Do you know you can use pineapple to make your fried rice? Look at the color now. Look at the beauty of this fried rice. Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can see, we are making pineapple fried rice. Oh my god, that is what we are making today. So guys, let's get into the video. This is my turkey and chicken that I will be needing on this recipe. I put all the seasonable something I have in my kitchen, and I use pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, sorry guys, yeah, onions, garlic and ginger. That is what I added last time. I turn everything together straight to gas. Now this is the pineapple that you are seeing. You will see later. So after that, when I see that fish, it will come inside here. After this one, I go put that fish. Then I can still cut my chicken breast, step it aside. Una see wetin happen for there. So now we dey put water for our chicken. Made the chicken for done very well. Now this is the pineapple. I use my juicer to squeeze all the juice out because we are needing that juice. That's the only thing we are needing on this recipe. Hey, the aroma alone in my kitchen, oh my god, you will lick your finger. So guys, now we are starting with the rice. Okay, I have my pot. I added my groundnut oil and I add a tablespoon of butter, followed by onions. Okay, now this is the rice. We are going to be toasting this rice for 10 minutes. Yes, on a low heat. If you high your gas, your rice go boom. So it is advisable, in case if you want to try this recipe, you need to lower your gas. Okay, then you toast for 10 minutes. Now our 10 minutes is complete. I add my, what's it called, mangi and magina. Yes, seasoning cube. I beg my magin with the color. After that one, I added my curry, salt and nutmeg. That's what I added. When I see the juice, that's the pineapple juice we are using on this recipe. After that, I can add my chicken stock. Chicken stock. The water when I take boil the chicken, now I put. Then I can add small water. You see, I can cover her with this paper. Oh yeah, now this is the fish. We are going to be removing all the bones. You understand? You know what I mean. Now this is the chicken breast. Yes, sorry guys, and followed by prawn. Okay, they are going to be toasting this for few minutes. The aroma that they come out from my kitchen. If you dey close, if you dey nearby, please branch and come and eat. Pineapple fried rice is a go. If you need anything for this weekend, you don't know what you want to cook for this weekend, try this recipe and you will thank me later. Now our chicken breast and prawn is ready label. So we take it and we step it aside. Now we are spraying oil on my pot again. We are going to be frying the fish. Okay, so I've already removed all the bones inside. Now we'll toast this for a few minutes. Pineapple fried rice is a good. Okay, now let's go to the veggies. Okay, I add vegetable oil in my pan, and this is the carrot we'll be needing on this recipe, followed by green beans. Now green beans they call this one, I don't know Jare. Followed by another green beans again, yellow bell pepper and green bell pepper. That is what I use. Now this is our seasoning. I add a little salt and seasoning powder, maggi and powder mangi. So I added everything together. So we turn it, and now this is my garbage. Okay, garbage and the corner. So I add a little. Then we are going to fry this for a few minutes, and later we are done. If you know, say you don't watch this video, Rachel, it means say you like this video, you enjoy it, and why you never follow this page. Papa, mama, auntie, uncle, kilo day, what is going on? Oh yeah, now if you don't watch this video, just follow this page, like and share. You understand? Help a sister, help a mother. As you do, may God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, I say may God bless you all as you take the support me again. And please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Florence Basic Health TV. Okay, that's the name of my YouTube channel. Our pineapple fried rice is ready, neighbor. We don't add everything, all the mende. Look at it now. Which one are you going for? Is it this first picture or the second picture? This one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Una bye.